Simple as it may seem, napakalaking bagay ho na to. You need to know, okay, the top medical claims that are paid by PhilHealth. Yung mga top paid claims, kailangan ninyong maintindihan. Okay? So, this is for 2020. So, lakihan natin. You have number 1, moderate risk pneumonia, 7 billion. Dengue fever, acute gastroenteritis, UTI, hypertension, peptic ulcer, asthma, stroke, URTI, newborn sepsis. Yan ho yung top paid nung 2020. Okay? So, let's proceed to the top surgical. Ito po. Kanina, medical. Ito, procedure case rate. Hemodialysis, 12 billion. Newborn care, 2 billion. Okay? Routine, itong normal spontaneous delivery for hospital, 2.5. CS, 6 billion. Okay? Maternity care package, another billion. And the rest. Ito ho ang top paid. Okay? 10 lang yan. Meron pa hong 20 but we'll not go into that. So, yan ho yung sa 2020. Ito, pansinin nyo. 2016. Number 1, pneumonia. Number 2, AGE. UTI, dengue, asthma, gastritis, dengue, hypertension, bacterial sepsis. Ano to? 2016 to, ha? Okay? May I know, nakikita ho ninyo yung slide? Can you please type 2016 if nakikita nyo? Okay? Can you please type 2016? These are the top paid ng 2016. Okay, thank you po. Thank you very much. So, thank you po. Again na, bantayan nyo, ha? This is now 2017. Top paid. Oh, pansinin nyo po. Pneumonia, acute gas, UTI. Okay. Nandyan pa rin si sepsis, hypertension, dengue. Okay. So, I hope ho, no, ito 2017 ito. Okay. So, let's proceed. This is 2018. Okay, 2018 ho yan, ha? This is 2019. Okay. I hope nakita nyo, ha? Tanong ko sa inyo. This is the question. Okay? Ano napansin ninyo? Okay? Can someone describe ano ho ang napansin ninyo? Okay? Anything. Anybody? Ano ho ang napansin ninyo doon sa mga top paid medical illnesses from all the several years? Can anybody give a short description? Anybody? Okay? Kasi may reason ho ba't pinakita ko yon. Okay? Okay? Meron ba kayong napansin? Consistent, CAP, AGE, UTI. Okay, doktora. Thank you. Same lang. Okay, doc. Same lang. Tama ho kayo. Tama si doktora. Tama. Tama ho kayong dalawa. What about the others? Kailangan ho ninyong maintindihan ito. Believe me. Okay? Kung naghahanap kayo ng trick, ito yon. Ito yung tinuturo ko. What else? Okay? Same lang. Okay. Tama ho. Diagnosis at therapy, doctor. Okay. Top causes of admission. It's a vicious cycle. Tama. Okay po. Tama ho kayo lahat. Practically everybody, tama ho kayo. Okay? So, ganito yan. Yung mga sakit na yan, 2 dekada na ho yan, paulit-ulit. Okay? It's the same thing.